Day 10 of the 13 Days of Halloween series. Robyn Pitts, who is Sir Chauncey Rocco Creative Designs, and myself are participating with our host, Rosa Kelly of Rosa Kelly Scrapbooking. To be entered into our giveaways, you must subscribe and leave a comment daily on each of our videos. I will leave all of the giveaway information in the description box below. And what I have created today is a witch's hat gift box. And it is for a swap in the Loaded Envelope Galore and More Facebook group. And Robyn Pitts did a tutorial for this hat. And I absolutely fell in love with it and had to create one. And I used the paper pad Bewitched by Echo Park. And I love the colors in it. It's a, like a plum purple with the orange. It's really, really pretty. And the top part of the hat lifts off and you have a little box that you can put your goodies on the inside. And I'll just hold it like that. So you can see in the file it included these cut aparts, and I just cut it out of the purple and some vellum. And then the brim of the hat has been cut out 3 times from 110-pound cardstock, so it's very sturdy. And then I'll just set her back up on here. And I say her because when it cut out the decorative paper, she was perfectly in the center. I couldn't have tried to have, lined that up. So I was really pleased that it came out that way. And then I took a pick from Michael's and just cut it apart. And the hat was also on there. So I just put the hat to the side with some tulle sticking out and some more of the vine. My handmade flowers, and I love the whimsy of the little styrofoam balls and the Chanel stems with the little balls on the end, and of course the purple spider web, and then we have the purple spider over here. So I was really pleased with how my hat came out, so I hope my swap partner likes it. And of course I've been tucking this tulle trim. I think I've used it on every project. It's been my go-to. But I just love the witches on the paper. I thought they were so very elegant looking witches. And the stand was like what Robyn had used in her tutorial, and it was a freebie from Pinterest. So I went ahead and cut one of those out as well. So when my swap partner receives it, it gives you something to set your hat on. So as I always say, make sure to leave a comment in the description box below, and have a spooktacular day, and thanks for watching. Bye-bye.